What's the meaning of Angela Carter? Angela Carter. Angela Carter. Angela Carter. Angela Carter. Angela Carter.
Angela Carter was a British writer and journalist known for her feminist and magical realist works. Her writing often explored themes of gender, sexuality, and identity in a fantastical and subversive way. She wrote novels such as Nights at the Circus and The Bloody Chamber, as well as essays and short stories. Carter's work has been influential in feminist and literary circles, and she is considered a major figure in contemporary literature. She passed away in 1992, but her legacy continues to be celebrated by readers and writers alike.